How to delete Uber Eats account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can delete Uber Eats account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So basically, if you'd like to delete your Uber Eats account, it's very simple. Open up the Uber Eats application, then just tap on the account option from the bottom right of the screen. Then over here simply look for the option called help and tap on it. Then just go to account and payments. From here go to the option called account settings. From account settings go to the option called I need help deleting my Uber Eats account. Then after you do that, you can see this little button that says delete my Uber account. Tap on the delete option. It will just take you to a pop-up page on your browser. Just log into your Uber account here and your account will get successfully deleted. That's all it takes to delete your Uber Eats account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.